Alright guys, I'm in a lake here in northeastern Utah that's currently being reestablished as a quality blue ribbon fishery for bass and for bluegill. So they killed out the lake a couple years ago. We've been restocking it the last year or so we're going to give it a shot and see if we can find it. Oh, he was just a little guy. Oh yeah. Hey buddy. Alright. He's a monster. Look at that guy. Alright, little buddy. Here you go. Baby. Come on. Oh, come on. Hey, little buddy. Oh. Up a little. Dang it. There you go. There's one that's a little bigger. Not much. Well, how in the world? Alright. That I think number 5, 4 or 5. Not bad. Yeah, buddy. Well, it was a good day on the lake. I was able to get back in these reeds out here away from the wind and find some little channels and pockets inside of those reeds. One thing I love about having a kayak is you can get back hidden in those reeds where nobody else can with their bigger boats. So that makes it fun. And got back in those pockets and those channels and was able to catch some small fish, but quite a few of them, so it was fun. The wind's blowing. I checked it. I got a wind app. The wind's blowing 25 knots. I'm not sure how many miles per hour that is. I'll have to figure that out. So anyway, 25 knots sounds like a pretty good speed. I'm thinking that's probably 18, 20 miles an hour. So stayed out of the big waves, stayed out of the wind, caught some fish, got sunburned. It was fun. It's a good time. So now I'm going to load the kayak and head home. Go spend the evening with my family.